Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a construction company logo in Canva. So if you're starting a company that builds houses, is related to real estate construction, or if you want to upgrade your construction company logo, then this video is for you. Without wasting any time, you can simply customize professionally designed templates. Go to Canva.com and create your account. After creating your account, go to the search bar and type Construction Company Logo. After typing that, just press Enter and you'll see Canva templates. These are the templates you can easily modify to create your own logo. Go to See All to view more options. Just scroll down and choose whichever you prefer. You can customize any of them. For now, maybe I'll go with this one. This one is Pro, but you can select a free option if you prefer. I'll choose this, and there are more suggestions as well, but I will stick with this one. You need to customize this template, and now you have access to any modification you want. For example, if I want to change the color, I will change it like this. And if I want to change the color of the text, you can just go to the font settings. You can change any font. This option is for resizing your text. This one is for changing the color. And this option is for making text bold, italic, underlined, strike-through, lowercase, uppercase, changing alignment, or making lists. This is for adjusting line spacing and letter spacing. This tool is for transparency effects. If you want to copy your text, go to Curve, and you can duplicate it. If you want to add any advanced effects, animate, or reposition your text, that's all available in the Text Customization section. If you want to add your own construction-related elements, then simply remove the existing one and go to Elements and search for Construction. And head to Graphics. There, you'll find elements you can add to your logo. Just scroll through and maybe choose one like this. Position it in the center, and I will change its color to red. I will go to the Effects and copy it back like this. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for Shape and select this oval shape like this, and adjust it to this size. I'll send it to the back and then change the color of the text as well. Then move it as needed. I just deleted it, but I'll go back and reposition it and move all the designs. Maybe I'll place them like this. Then I'll go to Effect and just copy it back again. Or I'll remove the curve effect. Yep, it should be centered. Everything should align to the center. Now, group everything and once more ensure it's centered. So yeah, in this way you can experiment and add your own elements, text, shapes, and all your details or any information you want. Once you're done with your design, to download it, rename your file, go to Share, select Download, and download it as a PNG file or in any other format you need. That was a quick overview of how you can customize pre-made templates in Canva. Within a few minutes, you can create your construction company logo easily, without any hassle, time waste, or needing a lot of design experience or creativity. Within a few minutes, you can create your construction company logo.